Rules. Now, rules are really important in trading because if you don't know what the rules are, or if you don't obey the rules, then you will never succeed. Because the do's and don'ts are really, really important and they should be kept really close to the heart. The number one rule is focus on process and not the outcome. That is, whatever game plan is taught in this course should be like focused. Either you make gain or even if you get a smaller loss, you should focus on the process and not on the outcome, that is, it has given you X amount of profit or Y amount of profit or no profit. So you should always focus on the process and not the outcome. Now, the second point is keep an eye on your own emotions. If your emotions are not in control, you can never make a good profit. Now, emotion means fear or greed. Fear that your trade can go down and give you a larger loss. Greed that it can go far higher and you should sit on the stock and don't sell it. But you need not to follow both of them. You need to follow the plan process. That's it. Nothing extra. No outcomes, no emotions. Just a process, just a plan. Because that's what matters. The third point is to check the stock every day. You need to make a time. Let's say 8 p.m. Every day at 8 p.m., you need to open your stock in the chart and check if your trading plan is saying sell or buy or it's saying nothing. You need to check it each and every day. Even if it is riding high, breaking highs and highs, then even you need to check it. Because it should not happen that you check it after 4 days and you get to know, oh, sell signal was generated 2 days ago. That's not the game plan. And once this start to happen, you will start to make mistakes. And as real money is involved, so your mistakes will be far costly. And you should never do that. You need to check if it is following your plan or not. Now, at many times it will happen that the stock will not be like in a bias situation. You might have to wait 1 month, 2 months, and it's not a buy. So you need to follow your plan, and you don't need to say that I need to buy. And therefore, you need to see the stock if it is following your plan or not. Because if it is following your plan, then it will be going high, high, high. But if it starts going straight or sideways, then it's not following a plan. So you should always check your plan each and every day to know if you're on the right track or not. Once a trading plan or process says buy, then buy. And buy without any fear or hope. Now people will tell you all kind of tips. This stock is going to double within a month. This stock is going to triple within a quarter. But you need to follow your plan. As these tips gives you hope or fear. They can tell you this stock has like XYZ bad news and it will go down, it held down. But still, you need to follow your plan. And there should be no fear or hope whatsoever. Because in a trading plan, it's an automated trading plan like a machine. Just go to any industrial unit and what will you see? The machine keeps on printing whatever is fed in it. It keeps on printing and gives out its output. No matter what, 24 hours a day. It doesn't make a slight change in it. No fear, no hope. That's what you need to do in your trading plan. That you need to work like a machine. That you focus only on the plan given through this course and nothing else. Because that's how you will be making huge sum of money. And the last but the most important point of rules is plan the trade and trade the plan. Now, what basically it means is I will give you a plan in this course. So it's the plan the trade part that you should always plan your trade. You will buy at X date, X price, whatever the price is, whatever the date is, and you will buy it. And then trade the plan. Whenever the plan says sell, you sell. No matter what. People tell you that gold mine has been discovered by this company. You sell when your plan says sell. You cannot have doubts or double minded or anything like that. You need to plan the trade and trade the plan. Thank you.